Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you are at Barb Beauty. Today is day 3 of my 31 days of Halloween makeup tutorials. I created this series to be makeup focused so your costumes can be used with stuff you already have or really cheap. And today's makeup, I feel like with this hair I look like a million different things. I feel like really awkward because my hair is up like this, but I'm actually doing the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. I feel like it'll all make sense when I have the actual makeup on. I feel like, I don't know, I feel so weird with like this. So for my hair, I curled it in really thick pieces and then I teased each one of those pieces like so crazy, and then I kind of just like bobby pinned it up onto my head, and then I put this, literally this was like a $4 crown from Claire's on my head, and I kind of just, I don't know how it's staying on there, but I kind of just stuffed the rest of my hair inside of there, and then I used $2 red color hairspray that washes right out on top of it. And then I'm literally just wearing a black shirt, and I feel like once you have the makeup on you're gonna obviously see more of the character because I feel like I look so weird right now. That's all I did for the hair and wardrobe. So I hope you subscribe and continue to watch this series. All my social media and stuff will be down below for you to follow, and let's just hop right in to the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. This love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back.
So there you guys have it. This is the final look for the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. I really like it. I think it's so cute, and again, it was so easy to do. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you stay around and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow for the next day of my 31 days of Halloween. Bye guys!